Today we're going to look at percent increase and percent decrease. This is just asking, has the original amount that you had, has it increased? That is going to be a positive value. Or if it is decreased when you find the percent change, that's going to be indicated by a negative value. The formula to find percent change is going to be this. Write this in your ISN. The percent change is the new value minus the old or the original value divided by the old, which is the original value, and then you times by 100. Again, if your answer is a negative answer, then your value has decreased. If you get a positive, then your value has increased. Let's try some examples. They tell you the original amount and the new amount. So if we look at example 1, 600 down to 499, that is going to be a decrease. So you are going to take the new value, 498, minus the original, 600, divide it by 600, and then times by 100. So when you subtract 498 minus 600, and you can do this on your calculator, you're going to get a negative value of negative 102 divided by 600 and then times that by 100. And you will get that your value change has been down or decreased negative 17%. The next one, if we look at example 2, when our original value was 220 and we've gone to 253, we can see that that has been an increase. So you're going to take, again, your new amount, 253, and when you subtract 220, you're going to get a positive value. So you know, again, it's going to be an increase. You're going to get 33, and then you're going to multiply that by 100, divided by 220. So this is the change that you found, divided by the original number, times it by 100. And you're going to get positive 15%, or an increase of 15%. There's another 2 examples, and as soon as you read it and you see 500 that goes to 555, you know your answer is going to be positive. You are going to take the original, it's going to be an increase, so it's going up. So the answer will be positive when you subtract the new value minus the original, divided by the original, and times it by 100. You will actually get that it increases by, you're going to 55 on your calculator divided by 500 and then times it by 100 to make it a percentage, and you're going to see it's 11% increase. And you can see from the original numbers what's happening. When I see 670 is the new value and it goes to, or the original value, and it goes to 603, I know there's going to be a decrease. There's going to be a change. So when my answer is negative, because I'm going to take the 603, the new value, and subtract 670, divided by the original, and then times by 100. When you do that, you're going to get that it's gone down 10%. The negative shows you that it is decreased. There's 2 other types of equations you can get when you do if a number has increased or decreased that you're going to see. It's finding the new amount after they tell you if it's increased or decreased. You're going to find the percent of the total number given, and then add or subtract to the original number, depending on if it is increased or decreased. So if you have 70 is increased by 15%, again, 15% out of 100, because it's a percentage, is going to equal x over 70. When you find that value, x, the part that it's increased, you're going to get 10.5. You're going to add that to the original number. So 70 has increased by 10 point, oops, that's a 5. Your new number is going to be 80.5. Or if they said it's decreased, again, you're going to do 12%, so that's 12 out of 100. You've got to find how much it has decreased out of 55, and you're going to find that x is equal to 6.6. You're going to subtract this because it's decreased. You're going to go 55 minus 6.6. The number is now going to be 48.4 because it's decreased by 12%. So hopefully this helps you with your homework on increasing and decreasing.